Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit photos while keeping your character consistent using the latest Gemini AI tool, Nano Banana. This amazing tool will let you instantly transform your photo just by writing a simple prompt, and it's perfect for keeping your character face exactly the same. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just simply tap on Create Image. This one, just tap on it. Or you can also tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana, the feature that allows us to upload and completely change the scenes while keeping the present face and character consistent by typing a prompt. And then next, just upload your photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next, we're ready to transform the scenes. For this example, let's imagine we want the same person, maybe reading a book and in a cozy coffee shops, and we don't want to change their face, just want to change the scene. So I want to type a prompt like this. Like this, for example, like this, and then when you're done, just tap on generate. Okay, like this, here's the result. You can see that the character face is identical. It's so identical, but the scene, the background, and environment are completely different. Next, if you want it to look even more natural, you can refine the prompt a bit, like maybe adding some light through the windows, or maybe a steaming coffee cup on the table, and many more to make it feel like a real candid moment. And okay, that's it with Nano Banana. You can easily edit photos, create new scenes, and still keep your character consistent every time. The key is to be specific with your prompt about the scene details while making sure to mention keeping the person unchanged. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.